I'ma head out then.
Can't run her hands, but steady run her butts. I'm running fiend, I'm just looking for my fix. I ain't broke, but I ain't barking off a bitch. Hey,
What's going on, man? What's going on, man?
38500 Ruthless audio.
You did it.
I'll show it him, but I'll give you a good switch between 22 to 40 hertz.
Yeah.
When we drink six.
Cut your chest up a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. You made some improvements in here, didn't you?
Huh?
You made some improvements in here.
Yeah, man. This is fucking way louder.
You said what you said you'd do it.
Yeah, 161 plus.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.